Hello everyone, I am Gian Casas and I am here to report or to discuss the topic of sauces. So, understanding sauces. What is sauce? A sauce is a flavorful liquid or semi-liquid that were served with food to make it taste better, look better, and sometimes even smell better. A sauce plays a major role in enhancing the overall flavor, texture, and presentation of food. To truly understand sauce, one must learn their functions. So, ang ganing sauce is kailangan siya ilahi-ilahi nga functions. Sauces serve several key purposes in cooking. First, add flavor. They enhance or complement the natural taste of food. Next is add moisture, especially in dry dishes like grilled meats or roasted vegetables. Third one is improve texture. So, sauces can make food smoother, creamier, or thicker. So next one is enhance appearance. They give color and shine, making food more appetizing. So the last one is add richness and aroma. Ingredients like butter, cream, or spices add depth and fragrance. So that's the part or the functions of sauce. And the rule of sauces in the food presentation. So beyond taste, sauces also make food look elegant in restaurants. Chefs use sauce to decorate plates, create contrast in colors, and impress customers. Even a simple drizzle or swirl of sauce can turn into ordinary dish into a masterpiece. So besides sa taste, ang kaning sauces gigamit po ni siya sa pag-enhance sa color or contrast sa plates and also to decorate the plate to make it more elegant looking. Pero na to nga topic is roux. Roux is a mixture of fat and flour that is used to thicken sauces, soups, and stews. It's one of the most basic essential techniques in cooking, especially in French cuisine. In simple terms, roux is the base or foundation of many sauces. So, it is what gives your sauce a smooth texture, creamy consistency, and rich flavor. So, ang kaning roux kay nani siya 3 types. Ang first is white roux, blonde roux, and last one is brown roux. So, ang kaning white roux is cooked just until the flour lose its raw smell. So, ang color ani niya or mailhan nato nga consider na ni siya as white roux is the color siya pale or white. So, ginagamit po ni siya for white sauces like bechamel, the sauce used in lasagna or macaroni. And next is blonde roux. Cook a bit longer until it turns golden or light brown. Ang color ani niya is yellowish or tan. And gamit po ni siya para sa Velouté sauce or creamy soups. So next is kaning brown roux. So cook the longest until it becomes deep brown in color. So gigamit ni siya for espagnole or brown sauce or rich gravies. And the longer you cook the roux, the deeper it gets and the richer the flavor becomes. And but reminder, it gets darker, its thickening powder becomes weaker. So, naadiri nakabutang if mas madugayan og luto ang roux kay mas mo darker ang iyang color and also mas mo rich ang flavor. But at the same time is ma-lose ang iyang thickening power. So, ang atong last topic nga i-discuss karon is ang kaning thickening agents. So what are thickening agents? So, a thickening agent is any ingredients that helps make a liquid thicker without changing its flavor too much. In cooking, we use thickening agents in give sauces and soups body and texture, makes food appealing, and help ingredients blend together smoothly. In short, thickening agents turns a thin, watery sauce into a rich and creamy one. So, why are thickening agents important? They are important because they, first, improve texture. It makes dishes smooth, creamy, and velvety. And the second one is enhance appearance. Sauces look more glossy and rich. And the third one is it stabilizes ingredients. It prevents liquids and solids from separating. So the fourth one is add structure. It gives body to dishes like gravies, puddings, and soups. Without thickeners, sauces would just side off your food, no flavor and no texture. So makaingon da diri nga importante kayo niyang thickeners kay if wala ni kay dita makakuha og flavor and also nice nga texture. And the 3 types of roux are white, blonde, and brown. So ako na ning explain ganyan na no, but ako na ning gi-add sa last nga slide para mas masabtan nato. So differing in color, flavor, and thickening power due to cooking time. Like sa akong gingon ganiha, if mas magkadugay og luto is mas mo darker ang color sa raw. White roux is cooked briefly or maximum thickening in white sauces. So bland is cooked longer to add a nutty aroma to dishes with white meat. And brown roux is cooked the longest for a nutty flavor in brown sauces. So with the less thickening power as it darkens. So thank you everyone. Unta namoy daghang nakatunan sa topic nato karon.